What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we learned to make tattoo needles today. Dave, an artist at our shop who's been tattooing for over 25 years, was teaching us how to make tattoo needles. And I really wanted to share it with you guys because I feel like it's a little bit of a dying practice. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Like I was 10 hours coming home from being.
Man, that's crazy.
I would do 950 days. Right, there. Screw. I mean, you say you should make it equal, but you want to.
I'm gonna make a 5, so I'm counting.
Making 5, so
Count
you want to use your
5.
5 jig, count 5 out. Right, it's right in there.
I'll break them up a little bit.
But I haven't done this in, dude, the last time I made needles was in the early 2000s. Working all day, we'd go to the bar and drink, and when I went home, I was like, oh shit, I gotta make needles. So I would sit down and fucking make needles for an hour and do 50 of each. Once you get them in there nice and straight, then flux at the end of that, it's gonna move them around too. Of course, you have to check them all the time that they're nice and straight. Baby, take them out. That right there, and just tack the end of it really good, real quick.
Oh man.
Get your flux on there.
Yeah, you did. It should hold.
Yeah, that's what I did. I
You can
work
take
the
it out.
shaft, you put it aside.
Start working the shaft.
Take it right
Now, see, is this thing running good? Let's mess with this.
aside. Work on that one.
So is that right?
Really, like, you're doing a good job.
Yeah.
And then this is on top.
This is solid right now.
That should probably be higher up on there, shouldn't it?
I don't think
That's good, yeah. I mean, you're only going to have about that much on your needle bar, you know what I mean? On the bottom.
shove it inside the big of water mix
You're
and
probably going to run your tack, your solder from here all the way up to that there.
I think I can fit that in the tube. Hold on, let me check it real
fast.
quick.
You don't want to fuck around too much. You don't want to loosen that faster.
That's nice though, having that little catch there.
yeah.
Hey, what do you think about this one?
It's fine, dude. Did your eye loop it? Make sure
Yeah.
that you don't have any fucking barbs or anything.
I mean, it was slightly off on one
it's
side,
not
like
off.
kind of like
Right.
you know that, but it looked clean.
Size of a softball. Yeah. I just did a full session on it today.
So that was my video. If you stuck around, thanks for watching and Happy New Year.